My busy daddy cooks.
This is Daddy from Daddy Cooks, and today we are making chicken teriyaki. You only need 2 ingredients, chicken and teriyaki sauce. You can very quickly and easily make teriyaki sauce ahead of time and store it in the fridge for months. I'll post the link to the teriyaki sauce recipe below. Alternatively, this is how you can make teriyaki sauce for this dish. Heat up the pan and put 2 tablespoons of oil in it. The pan is hot enough when you put a chopstick in it and you see bubbles coming out of it. Fry each side of the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can add 2 tablespoons of water in the pan. This will create steam and help the chicken cook faster. Pour the teriyaki sauce over the chicken. And turn the chicken to coat it with the sauce. Continue to cook until the sauce thickens. Quick and easy chicken teriyaki.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.